atmosphere, tone. They are vital to how a game makes you feel. Many forms of entertainment just use sound to terrify you. Tastefully speaking, many games with darker themes use music and visual art to give the player the fundamental essence of the experience. For example, Call of Duty's World at War's main theme captures the somber horrors of war with the simple yet unsettling song. This is Stalingrad. The Russians have been defeated by the Germans, and the Germans are slowly walking over to every body and ruthlessly finishing them off. These soldiers' last breath will be taken while their city burns and crows pick at their skin. The haunting singing and chanting gives the player chills and feelings of hopelessness, all while the violins amp up the horrifying nature of the scene. You, as the player, are set in this realm of anxiety and fear. You're like witnessing your brothers get killed right in front of you. And then you're off with the mission. Consider Resident Evil 7's approach. The teaser has you, the player, wake up after just previously watching two men frantically trying to escape their bounds in a bloody, broken down room through a VHS tape. The room that you're in has little hints and details of what can possibly happen to you as time goes on.
You can already tell all of these spooky, really spooky tone and like just atmosphere from the setting. All these tiny little movements. I mean, it's kind of like you already know that this game is going to be really scary, and it's just playing onto the fact that yes, this is a horror game, but like, god damn.